Thank you for choosing INFLATiQ by RIMiQ. Included with your device is a charging cable with a USB-C end. USB-C in is how you would charge the device, plugging it in to the device. USB is how you would pull power from the device if you would like to charge a phone or a tablet. To charge a device, plug your standard USB into an outlet and plug the USB-C into the actual device. Also included is a 12-volt pass-through power plug. This fits inside of your premium carry case, and if you were to happen to run out of portable power, you use this plug to give yourself constant power of the inflation device. This cord will not charge the device though. Also included is your inflation hose. It's a quick connect hose. Push it all the way in and turn it until you hear or feel the click. To power on the device, long hold the power button. In this example, I'm going to fill up a car tire. So I'm going to select the 4 circles and I'm going to sort through until I get to the vehicle. To know which PSI you're going to fill your car up to, you're going to check the door or the door jamb and it'll tell you how much PSI. On this vehicle, it's stated right here and it states 36 PSI for the rear tires. So I'm going to go ahead and press the plus button to increase this to 36. Next, I'm going to unscrew the valve stem cover. I'm going to screw in the hose. Confirm that I have this preset to 36. The PSI on this device, or currently on the tire, is 34.5. So all I have to do is press the start button and this will automatically shut off at 36. Let's go ahead and give it a shot. Now that the device has automatically turned off and brought the tire up to 36 PSI, I can go ahead and unscrew this from my tire and place the valve stem cover back on. If you happen to lose these, we do include some extra ones within the premium case. I'm going to disconnect the quick connect hose and place all items back into my premium carry case. This fits nicely in a vehicle or you can store it inside. Power the device off, all you have to do is hold the power button for 3 seconds, but it will also shut off on its own. And just like that, you filled up your own car tires. Thank you for choosing INFLATiQ by RIMiQ.